You got your microphone? You got it? How are you today?
Okay, I'm good today. Yes.
Okay. Why are you wearing sunglasses?
Oh,
What happened?
my eye.
What's wrong with your eye?
I don't know.
Okay. How did it happen?
I have to go uh clinic tomorrow. Check
Okay.
it.
Okay. Is it painful?
Mm-hmm.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I want to start today with you. We're going to play a little game,
Yes.
a speaking game, because your speaking is getting better and better and better every week. Do you think so?
Yes. Yes.
How do you feel today compared to when you first started?
Sorry.
How do you feel today about your English compared to before? Tell me.
Yeah, I'm feel better. More that's good because um I'm learning English with you about 2 months, right?
Yeah, about that. I think.
About
Yeah.
that. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And yeah, I feel I know more English about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
And talking with more good, more something.
okay, that's fantastic. Good to hear. Are you more confident?
Yes.
How do you say confident in Thai?
Confident ดีขึ้นเหรอคะ
No.
No.
Manjai.
Yes.
Yes.
Confident.
Do you feel more confident or less confident today?
More confident.
Yes,
Yes.
that's what we want to hear. Good. Okay, now we're gonna play a game. A
Yes.
little game. Don't be cheating. Okay. Don't be looking. This game is called Truth or Lies.
Yes.
Truth or lies. And I will tell you three things.
Yes.
I will tell you three things. Not two things or one thing, but three things. One of the things is true, two of the things are fake, false.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah,
Okay? You have to tell me which one is fake.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so two are real, one is fake.
Yes.
You tell me which one, okay? Then I will explain why. I'll tell you about the thing that is true.
Yes.
You'll see. Easy, easy. Here we go. I usually eat rice for breakfast. Number one. I usually eat rice for breakfast. Number one. Number two. Last weekend, I went shopping with my family. So, number one, I usually eat rice with my breakfast. Number two, last weekend I went shopping with my family. And number three, I can speak Spanish very well. So,
Spanish.
pasa Spanish.
Spanish.
Yeah.
Spain เหรอคะ
Spain.
Yes.
So, what do you think? Number 1, 2, 3 is fake.
I'm think three.
What was number 3? Can you remember?
Yeah. You can speak Spanish. It's real.
Well,
Yes.
is that fake? It is fake. Yes, it is fake.
Yes.
Okay. Well, let me explain why it's fake.
Yes.
Okay. I can't speak Spanish because I have never lived in Spain or learned the Spanish language. But someday, maybe I will, because it's an interesting language to learn.
Yes.
Okay, I want you to tell me 3 things about you, and one of them is fake. Go.
Okay. Number one, today breakfast I'm eat fried rice chicken. And number two, last week I'm go to Philippines.
I go to or I went to?
I went.
Okay.
I went to
Okay.
Philippines. And number three, last night drink coffee and go sleep.
Okay, let me think. So the first one was eating fried rice and chicken for breakfast.
Yes.
The second one was that you went to the Philippines last week, and the third one was that you drank coffee last night and went to bed. What could it be? I think it's number 2. Because you told me you don't like traveling.
Yeah.
You told me that before. So I know your trick. I know your game.
Yeah.
Tell me why that's fake. Tell me about it. Explain. Atibai.
Yes. I tell you already. I never go another country. Yeah, and last week I'm just stay in bed because I'm sick.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Are you feeling better now?
And yeah.
That's wonderful.
Hmm.
Okay. Thank you. I think that's the end of this game. Okay, thank you.